AH-64E Apache Guardian is the U.S. Army's current baseline attack helicopter, a combat-proven twin-engine tandem seat rotorcraft whose airframe blends a rugged crash-worthy fuselage and modular mission systems with a design optimized for survivability and sustainment in high-threat environments. The Apache's airframe supports a sensor and weapons-rich mission set, while retaining relatively compact footprint for tactical basing and shipboard operations. Power is provided by twin turboshaft engines from the T-700 family in fielded aircraft, with planned engine improvements under Army modernization roadmaps, given the type, the power 2.8 performance expected of a modern attack helicopter, and enabling cruise dash speeds, typically in the approximately 260-300 km/h range and combat radii, suitable for Army aviation strike and escort missions, depending on load and fuel configuration. The AH-64E's sensors and avionics are a central strength. The aircraft carries a modernized pilotage and mission avionics suite, including the APG-78 Longbow radar in Longbow-equipped variants, upgraded target acquisition designation site, pilot night vision sensor systems, and an open architecture for data links and man-to-man teaming that allow persistent ISR target handoff and networked fires. Armament is flexible and lethal. The internal M2 30mm chain gun provides precise direct fire capability. Multiple external pylons except a GM114. Hellfire family anti-armor missiles, including variants integrated for increased lethality. Hydra rockets, guided rocket kits such as APKWS, and other precision munitions. The Apache can therefore perform close support, anti-armor strike, and precision standoff engagement roles. In operational practice, the AH-64E fleet has been actively modernized and fielded worldwide.